Hello everyone, in this video, we will show how to crop a video on CapCut PC. CapCut is a free video editing software for both Windows and Mac without a watermark. First, I will show you how does the cropping on CapCut look like. This is a video I created on CapCut PC and some parts of the video are cropped. Firstly, go to File and the top bar and select Import to enter the video. Then move the playhead bar to the place you want to crop. Select the Split tool to split the video and select the video clip you want to crop. After that, select the Crop button and begin to crop the video. You can adjust the crop size freely. If you want to zoom in parts of a video, just change the crop size and drag the crop shape to the area. Besides, you are able to change the crop ratio flexibly. You can select the crop ratio to 1:1, 16:9, or 3:4, and more. When setting is done, just click on Confirm button. For example, we just crop part of a video clip and then check how it looks like. You could just preview the video. As you can see, when you crop parts of a video, you actually just zoom in this part of the video. So these are some details about how to crop a video on CapCut PC. Now you can try to download the CapCut PC to begin cropping a video. Thank you.